Hey everybody, Jason Veenstra here with the Veenstra Real Estate team and
Crystal Haydo from Allen Edwin Homes.
And we are coming to you from the new Integrity 1910 floor plan in Concord Farms in Mattawan, Michigan. This is a brand new floor plan.
Yes, so we really don't have a lot of content online, so if you want to see it, this is it.
So you guys are the very first to really see what this house is like. Crystal, tell me a little bit more about what this house has.
Okay, so we're looking at 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This particular home is going to have an unfinished basement that we will see later.
Yes.
That has a daylight basement with lots of windows for natural light, with a deck looking over the backyard. We've got upstairs laundry and extra storage.
Love it.
And a ridiculous closet on the primary bedroom. And I'm not saying huge, I mean ridiculous.
This thing is absolutely ridiculous, 100%.
So yeah.
We're gonna take you guys inside. We're gonna walk through the house. If you have questions, please reach out to us. We wanna be able to tell you more about this particular house. We also wanna be able to tell you more about Allen Edwin Homes, where they're building, what they're building, and why you need to be in one. All right, so we are now inside of this amazing house, and what I love about this is you've got this wide open kitchen, you've got the center island, but you've got dining and living room kind of all combined into one.
Yes, so somebody's doing homework, someone's cooking, no one is off by themselves, so you can have the quality time together after work.
Love that. And we've got the kind of back entryway from the garage here as well, which is really nice. Crystal,
I personally like it because, I mean, really, the traffic into the home, 99% of it's coming through the garage.
Yep.
And it's secluded there so that you're not seeing people's shoes, purses, coats, bags, whatnot. So it's a really nice drop zone. It's kind of tucked away.
Yeah, you've got a half bath back there. You've got the bench and the coat hooks. You've got the closet. Just a really nice kind of tucked away spot.
Organized.
Love it.
That's what I like. You know me, I like organized.
It's true.
Yeah. All right, so we're in the primary suite right now. Quite easily can fit a king size bed, right? We're in the rear of the home, so a lot of privacy and a great view off the back. And then through here we have a dedicated bathroom, which is very spacious and also has a window for natural light, which if you're a lady who's applying makeup, that's actually very helpful. And of course, everyone will love this. Watch this, walk-in closet. What?
In addition to the primary bedroom suite that we just saw, we also have 3 additional bedrooms up here. We've got another bathroom up here, full bath, plus the second floor laundry room, which is where all of the laundry comes from anyway, right?
Yes.
Plus you've got this great linen closet right around the corner here.
Lots of storage.
There's a great amount of storage. Each one of these bedrooms have good sized closets, good sized rooms, great window, lots of natural light coming in through it all. Really nice layout.
Yes, it is. All right, so Jason, we're in the unfinished basement of this home. Oh my gosh, look at the space that we have down here.
I love this. We've got the 3 daylight windows, so tons of natural light.
Lots of natural light. This is no other load-bearing wall to obstruct, just finishing this all together. And we have a nice 8-foot clearance here, so for everyone that's tall like you, when
it's really nice. I can stretch all the way up and not have an issue.
So you've got you've got the kids down here playing, or you're hosting.
What are we hosting?
Let's see, next year's Super Bowl when the Lions go and win.
Love it.
They could be having a party down here.
This would be a great space for that.
Absolutely.
Love it. All right, Crystal.
Okay.
Tell me a little bit more about the special promotion that you guys have going on this house.
Yes. Oh my gosh. So for clients that are looking to purchase this specific house here, we can get you down to a lower interest rate such that you would save up to $250 per month just on interest alone.
That's incredible.
That's $3,000 annually. That's an extra mortgage payment per year. If you have a 30-year mortgage, you're shaving off 7 years.
Just because you're buying this house with this promotion.
Absolutely.
That's a really cool thing, and you don't get that everywhere, believe me.
No, you don't.
And Crystal, if you build this house somewhere else, The Veenstra team will actually get you some extra credits to use in the new home showroom.
Yes, so it's going to depend on the community itself,
Yep.
but we're looking at $5,500 towards upgrades.
That's not chump change.
No, it's not.
That can do like a deck on a house, or
Yeah, I mean, you could look in at the quartz countertops. We could be putting in a nice stylish bench in the mudroom.
Love it.
Yeah.
Very cool. So again, this is the Integrity 1910, and we're in Concord Farms in Mattawan.
That's right.
And if you are interested in if you are interested in buying this specific home, getting the special promotion, reach out. We want to make sure that we're getting you every deal that we can. We want to make sure we lock you into this house before somebody else does. And if you're looking to build somewhere else, reach out to us that way. We want to be able to just kind of guide you in that process as well.
That's right.
That's right. Now, make sure that you subscribe to this channel because we're going to continue doing more videos. We're going to continue educating you guys on what's going on in the market. So like, subscribe, and click on that bell so that you get notified when we post new videos.
There you go.